Hey everybody, my name is Christy and I am the owner of Blue Labels Boutique and the creator of the fashion line Fashion Not Fear, which is a dress line that's handcrafted by yours truly. And right now it's available exclusively on bluelabelsboutique.com. And today, if you've been watching my shorts, then you'd see that I've been creating a jacket that I've named the Valorous jacket. And so I want to show you guys how it turned out. As you can see, the jacket is cropped in the front and it's lower in the back. It has the side detail with the cute little elastic sleeves and a high collar. And the fabric is everything. I love the fabric. Let me just try it on for you so you guys can see how it looks on. I don't even know if this is my size, but let's give it a try. Crop jacket style, hey. Crop jacket style, hey. If you're like me, you love a good crop jacket. I don't know, just to me it makes the waist look more defined. And this is, as you can tell, this is not my size, because it close a little bit more. This is actually a size small jacket, and I would get a medium. So it's not meant to close, it's going to stay open. And it does have the high collars. There's no closure or anything on the front of the jacket. So you will rock it open. You know, look a little, just something to keep those arms warm and look fabulous while doing it. The texture of it is so pretty. I hope you can see that close up. Look at that texture. Look at that sleeve. Good, nice little sleeve. And as you can see, the back of it. But yeah, so this is the Valorous jacket, handcrafted by yours truly and available on bluelabelsboutique.com. Now let me show you the skirt. The skirt was previously made before I made the jacket. And then after finishing the skirt, it's been on my site for a while, and I said, this jacket needs something to go with it. Excuse me, this skirt needs something to go with it. So this is the jacket I created. Now check out this skirt. You guys can see that. Skirt is everything. This skirt has super deep pockets, which is one of my favorites. I mean, come on, a skirt needs some good pockets, especially right now. You have to carry everything from a mask to sanitizer, and you know, you don't know what else you're gonna need. So you definitely need your good pocket. And the back is just a regular flat back. It's a little short mini. If you check out the site bluelabelsboutique.com, you'll see some more video of me modeling this particular skirt. I love the skirt. I have it in my own collection that I wear. I love it. This is why I like to invest in matching pieces, because there are endless things you can do with this, or endless ways that you can style this. So, is it really a waste of money if you can style this all these particular ways and really make your money out of it? I don't think so. I absolutely love this particular outfit. Now you will see other stuff available on bluelabelsboutique.com, and like I said, everything on there is handcrafted. Not everything. The Fashion Not Fear collection is handcrafted. I do have other stuff on there that's not handcrafted. I mean, really? Is this not adorable? schoolgirl, boop, going to work. You put your little bustier under this. It would be so cute. With your girls popping out, a mock neck or a turtleneck shirt to go under it will look really good. So many things that you can do to it to style it, and it gives you endless stylist options in your closet, and it helps to create your style creativity, which is, in my opinion, if I'm gonna buy something, if I'm gonna spend my money on something, I want to make sure that it's not gonna be a one-wear type of thing. I can rock that thing as many times as Mama wants. You hear me? So yeah, let me know, you guys, what you think about the Valorous set. I would love to hear your comments, questions, or anything else you'd like to say. But on this channel, we keep it positive. So if it's not positive, anyway, so guys, thank you so much for watching, and let me know if you have any questions. Don't forget to visit me on bluelabelsboutique.com. Come shop with me. fashionnotfear.com. Come check out the blog, or on TikTok at Fashion Not Fear, Blue Labels Boutique, on Instagram and Facebook. And don't forget, there's also many items that you can shop, but in addition to that, you can always do custom. There's an option on bluelabelsboutique.com where you just click on custom. You tell me what you want, and I'll tell you what you need. Okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I think I'm going to wear this for the rest of the day. Who cares if I need to size up? This is just cute. Now, oh, come on. Now, are you going to still let me walk around with this jacket on? I don't think so. She cute. Boo. She cute. Boo. Thank you so much. You guys have a wonderful day. And stay fearless. Mwah. Mwah. Mwah.